This is pretty cool. So here we are in Canva, and I've imported 8 different clips with different duration times. This one's 8 seconds, 7 seconds, 6 seconds here. I've also imported this song here. If I click on the audio timeline, on the top left, there's a new feature called Beat Sync. Click that. So I'm going to toggle this on. And watch the timeline. The clips are going to automatically adjust according to the beat of the music. So let's preview this. Now obviously we're not going to go through the whole thing. Maybe just a few bars here. Okay, it picked up that change. That's pretty cool. Now it looks like it's keeping up with the beat of the music. That's really cool. Now obviously you can adjust these. Maybe you want to make the clips closer to 4 seconds. So I'm just going to do it really roughly here. And then let's see what happens. If we click on Beat Sync again, watch the timeline. Let's see if it cleans it up a bit. Yeah, there you go. See how it adjusted? So if I play it from this point here, every 4 seconds, it's going to change the clip. Should be another change here. Yeah, pretty cool. Now with all the AI hype lately, it's no surprise that Canva also is following suit. We're going to take a look at a few of those things today. So I've got an image here, and if I click on it and click on Edit Photo at the top left here, you're going to see there's 2 new features called Magic Eraser and Magic Edit. Let's look at the eraser. And basically, this is like a touch-up tool. So if we want to remove objects from the scene, we just hover over it, mask it out, and it's gone. Let's do the same thing for the lights here in the background. And just like that, they're gone. We could even clean up this area here. It's a little bit all over the place, so let's clean that up. So a very, very useful tool for AI generated images or even real photos. Let's go back and try the Magic Edit tool. I'm going to increase the brush size, and we're just going to mask the car here. I'm not going to be super accurate, but I assume that you should be. I'm just going to do it really quick here. And then on the left, you just have to simply press continue. So in the prompt, I'm going to put make a Formula 1 racing car. Let's see how far I can push it. Might be asking a bit too much. Oh, that's not too bad. You see here on the left, you get 4 options, very similar to the text-to-image AI where you get 4 generations at a time. The Formula 1 cars aren't too bad. I mean, it could use some work, but at least the idea is there. This one is probably the most accurate. Now let's try something perhaps a little bit more simpler. Let's mask this area here, and we're going to prompt a bed of roses. So I've entered the prompt here. We're going to click generate. And there you go. It's given me what look like roses. This one, it's got a different type of flower in there. But hey, it's doing something. Let's mask a little bit of an area here. And maybe we can put birds in the sky. Oh yeah, there you go. That's pretty cool. Now, I'm not too sure how this is functioning, if it's anything like instruct pix-to-pix for Stable Diffusion. I know Canva runs Stable Diffusion for text-to-image AI, but it seems like it works the same way. I'm going to drop a few random things in here just to demonstrate something. Now, this is an AI, but I thought was cool. If we right-click over the image, you see now you have an option for layers. You could still send to front, send to back, all that stuff. But if you click here to show layers, there is now a dedicated section for layers. So I know a lot of people would be happy about this. You can arrange it just by dragging it. If you click on the 3 dots on the top corner of the layer, you have your usual options here. Next, I want to go over Canva Docs. This was recently introduced this year, so it's similar like Microsoft's Word or Google Docs. This is Canva's version. Now, what's cool about it is that if I click here, you see that it says Add Magic. We're going to click the plus there. We're going to click on Magic Write. And this is sort of like Canva's version of ChatGPT. Now, it's not as powerful as it, but in terms of writing content like scripts, it can work for that as well. Let's say I want to create an introduction for, I don't know, a YouTube video, and the topic is about AI image generation. So within the prompt area, I just put write a 10-second introduction script on why AI image generation is the future. Simply click on enter. And we see that it's written me a script. Now, whether it's 10 seconds, probably more. The way I read, it's a bit longer. But as you see, it's a very descriptive introductory script that someone like me can use since I'm not great with words and I talk really simply. This could definitely help me with my YouTube channel. Now, while we're here, I might as well look at their text to image and see if there's been any improvements. I'm just going to use a prompt that I always use, and we're going to do a portrait aspect ratio. Let's click on see all. And as you see, they've added a few different styles. There's quite a few photography styles now, some digital art ones, and some fine art. For this prompt, I'm going to go with filmic. Here are 3 of the images side by side. In terms of the quality, doesn't look too bad. And unfortunately, Canva is still limited. You can't enter negative prompts, and there's a limit to how many generations you can make. Now, there's so much more that is new in Canva that I didn't even cover today. I'm definitely going to revisit all the new stuff in future videos to come. But until then, my friends, I'll see you when I see you.